Hey everyone, Rob Doherty from thevestguy.com. We just made up this Alaska vest. I've done several videos on the Alaska vest already, but this is one in Coyote, and we were just getting ready to ship it out to a client. But I just thought I'd throw a couple of the features and the options and stuff. But this one's set up. The customer just wanted one strap. But like most of the other videos you've seen, I've got one on each side, so it's just totally up to you. These Molly straps, you can put different pockets. You can put a cell phone pouch here, a teleconverter, filter pouch, all kinds of stuff. But got a zipper pocket here. Got an inside zipper pocket here. I love these to put the memory cards in. I usually put the empty ones here, and then once I fill them up with pictures, put those cards in here. Got a little clip for your key ring, D-ring, elastic to put the batteries and different stuff in there. So I love that feature there. D-rings to clip different stuff. The camera, just real quick, detach it like that. Let's see, larger cargo pockets fits to 100 to 400, 70 to 200. You can put a full frame camera and like a wide angle lens in there, or whatever you want to put in there. It's plenty big. I'll show you the back. So, detachable backpack. This is actually available on any vest. You can get it, but it was designed up for the Alaska vest when I was up there. And so if you don't want that, you just clip it and take that off. But it's really nice if you're going to do a lot of hiking. Throw a rain jacket, throw some food, bottles of water, things like that in there. So anyway, just wanted to show you the Coyote version. I think all I've done is videos on the black ones. So there it is, the Alaskan vest from thevestguy.com. If you've got a custom need, call Stephanie at 801-725-0076, or just order direct on the web. We've got a brand new website up and running. And thanks for tuning in.